So now, if you look at this again, we've got a little troughs in the wave action. So we can go in and kind of mimic that and get a nice feeling here. So I happen to have a color on my palette I kind of like already. I'm going to add a little purple to it. And too purple. Let's go back. Ooh, that's pretty dark. That's too dark. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let's get some more blue. Pretty dark. I have to anticipate how much are going to dry. So let's just do a few little marks here. Pretty strong. Maybe too strong. So I'm going to add a little color. Just water it down a hair. Maybe I'll sop that one up. And I'm only doing this now because it's what Monet did. So, and they're not everywhere, they're just in the foreground here a little bit. And his are almost too even. It's kind of funny. I feel guilty criticizing a guy of his talent. But that's the style he did, so I'm going to kind of stay with it here a little bit. Now this paper is dry everywhere, so these marks I'm putting down now are going to go hard edge. And I'm hoping they're going to look like the trough of a wave that casts a little shadow.